again with another precocious Photoshop tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to create a business card in a standardized format recognized at anywhere in the world. First, create a new file with dimension in inches, which should be 3.5 in inches, while the height should be 2 in inches. Change the color mode to the CMYK color. The CMYK color mode should be selected if you are doing a design for a printing purposes. The printing machines don't recognize the RGB color format but the CMYK format. So go with the CMYK color mode. Now get a ruler by selecting Rules option. To get a perfect snap-in, go to Show option and again place a tick on the Smart Guides option. Now drag and drop the rulers to the each and end of the file. Now we have to define a cutting area from the printer. Normally, when printing, some area would be cut. Usually 0.25 area from each side cut out by the printer. So, we should not place important contents such as texts in that area. To define the cutting area, just go to Image, again to the canvas size and change the width to 3.75 and the height to 2.25. Now, get the rectangular marquee tool and draw a selection like this from the cutting area. You can zoom the view and get the best selection of cutting area. Now, move it with this way and again place rulers like this. Do these steps with me to define the safe area where we need to place our important element in the business card. Now, safe area is all done. Now, go with Ctrl+E keyboard shortcut toward the selected selection box. Here you can design a business card in your way. The creativity matters the most to get the best design for your business card. Here, I make the design just to show you the example only. Now, I get a rectangle and wrap it this way in the file. Again, get a clone of the same rectangle and place it to the opposite side this way and do the adjustment. Front view that I am creating in the business card. So the company logo will be placed in the front size and the tagline also. Now, I save the front view PST. Now, I'm going to create the backside of the business card. For that, I will get a duplicate of the front side view PST this way. For that, the File tab should be dragged from the snapped area. Now, right-click and select Duplicate option. Now, I give duplicated file a name as back view. In the back view, I'm going to write the name of the business card holder and the designation. And the contact details of the specific business card holder are also mentioned this way. Now, I save this back view PST also. Please note that you should not give the PST file to the printing shop. You have to give a TIFF files of both views. Now, you can create a TIFF file with a lightweight file size like this. For that, select the top layer to the background layer in the front view. Now, right-click and choose the option Flatten Image. Do the same methodology for the back view also. Now go back to the front view and save it with TIFF format like this. Do the same process for the back view and save it in the TIFF format and submit both TIFF format to your printing shop. The importance of delivering the TIFF file is that it is lesser in size compared to the PST files. And thumbnail view can be seen from the TIFF file without the need of opening the file. The TIFF file can be opened with any image viewing software. No need to Photoshop to open a TIFF file. Hope you learned the most accurate way to design a business card. Don't forget to press the subscribe and a bell icon if you would like to receive notifications on our new video release. Have a very good day. Goodbye.